to Orange and Glad Homeschool, and I have an unboxing. I have not opened this flap yet. I only opened this side so that we wouldn't see my address on here. And I'm hoping this is not a problem. It arrived this way. That's Juliette being a ghost. Scary.
Yeah.
So I really hope that that has not damaged anything inside.
So scary. Mom.
Let's go. Did you find it? Comes with a catalog. Look in your... Oh, you found it. Awesome. Okay, here's the book pack, which is optional. Katie. By a Notgrass. Look at that. How cool. Mountain Born. The Year of Miss Agnes. Well, doesn't that look cute? Holy moly. Oh boy. This is so heavy. Garth Williams. This looks adorable. I'm scared of the size, actually, to be honest, but it's gonna be great. Emily's Runaway Imagination. Okay, such is life. You guys probably wouldn't even know, unless you hear the coffee in the background, that this is the next day. So this is how my life goes. Like, I still haven't looked at this, although I'm dying to. I want to so bad. But Juliette had woken up from her nap yesterday, and then it's kind of go time. It's entertainment time, it's dinner time, and then we had to run an errand last night, and then it's bedtime, you know? And there you go. So, we're back. Emily's Runaway Imagination. It's a Beverly Cleary book. That looks like it's going to be a great one. Freedom Crossing. Apple paperbacks. I love these books. Will Laura help Martin if it means breaking the law? This looks really good. Tolliver's Secret. The country was counting on her. Okay, I've not heard of this book either. I'm really just so excited to read these books. And Benjamin West and his cat, Grimalkin. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I bet this is going to be a fun book. I'm hoping. This is what I'm so excited about. Maybe just a smidge right there. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Like, this kind of stuff bothers me. Oh, wow. Oh, it's heavy. And there's my extra. Okay, empty. Oh boy. And there's a... Aww. Sweet. Oh, daily encouragement. I ordered an extra student workbook because Scarlet and Isla will be doing this. And this is not my only history. I'm actually going to order another different kind of curriculum. Obviously, I'm going to do a video on that. So I'm not going to tell you what it is. I think I'm a sucker for art. I think that's what it is. And maybe I didn't know that until I started homeschooling. But when you see something so pretty, you're just like, oh, I need to have that. Ooh. America in 1492. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay, just kind of breaking it in, guys, breaking it in. I'm really excited to look through this. Okay. Oh yeah, it comes with that too, and that. So exciting. Let me give you a word of advice. As a second-year homeschooler, read this. Read everything that they are telling you. They have questions here and the answer. Read it. Yeah, so look at the table of contents. Go to maybe each section, see if you need to check out books from the library or if you need to order something. Go through the lesson or the unit to see if you need to have a craft. See, look at that advice I get to give now that I kind of know what I'm doing. Now this is just beautiful. Okay, so here it's like, here's your story. Okay. And then there's an activity, tells you where to go and what to do. Review questions to make sure they were listening. That's always important. Review and hands-on. All right here. So cool. Ooh, is that this? Oh, for Unit 1. Okay. Well, that's really cool. So there's unit. Okay, so there's like a unit craft. So I think you're also prompted to come into this book and do each one of these, probably in each lesson, but maybe it's each unit. MP3 audio. Oh good, so we don't have to figure out how to sing this. I just saw it said like track 60. I'm like, what are you talking about? Okay, that's good information to know. It has an MP3 audio in the back. You can probably upload that on your computer and then put it on your phone for easier use, unless you happen to homeschool around a computer. Our Star-Spangled Story Answer Key and Literature Guide. I'm wondering if it's questions from the book and then here's the answers you're looking for. But I guess if you read the story too, then you should know the answer as well. But I'm not quite sure. I don't know if these two things go together. And then it does say Student Workbook Lesson 78. So maybe those are the page numbers that you can find answers in. Okay, I'll kind of figure that out. Really cool. Kind of smelly. And I got 2 of these because I have 2 kids doing it. 2 kids that are going to do it. I love that they have this. Lots of variety for different kinds of learners. Really awesome. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around.